I'm a mountain biker. There's no chance that I could ever do that. I'm a snowboarder also. Could not do that. You basically just can't do anything because you're in so much pain all the time. My name is Robert Berkowitz, and I just started having intense pain throughout the neck, shoulder, and down the arm. I didn't have any accidents. I didn't fall down, nothing like that. It just started getting worse and worse. It was off the chart. It was absolutely debilitating. I couldn't even leave the house. I absolutely had no life. I was on opiates all the time. And that was the only way because the pain was so intense. I had to take opiates just all day long. And so you can't work. So it's just a terrible life. So then I went on the internet and I found Dr. Katzman. Dr. Katzman, he was just full of confidence, which in turn obviously made me confident. And when I came in, everything was nice, everybody was nice, everything was modern. It was a nice, relaxing atmosphere here. Since the procedure, I can say that that debilitating pain that I was having from this is completely gone. The surgery has given me my life back completely. The pain is gone. It's like getting your life back. So now I can smile and I can say, well, life is good.